This is a short video introducing Cite Them Right Online, a guide to referencing based on the book and ebook of the same name. It covers APA as well as Harvard and other styles. To access it, log into Library Search, click on Find Databases A to Z, select the letter C, and then click on Cite Them Right. There's a useful Basics of Referencing section with helpful short videos explaining what referencing is, why it is important, and how to avoid plagiarism. Further down, there's specific guidance on the APA referencing style. The tutorial is also highly recommended. When referencing an item, look for advice on the corresponding format, such as a book, a journal article, a web page, etc. Although you could follow the Browse Categories link and choose from the menu options, including books, journals, digital and internet, legal and governmental, it's better if you click on Choose Referencing Style, select APA 7th, and then pick the category you want from there. The Books section shows you how to cite printed books, e-books, etc., as well as parts of books such as chapters or sections of edited books. Let's have a look at printed books. There's an introductory section followed by the citation order telling you what information you need to include, where it needs to go, and in what format. Further down, you'll find an example of how to reference Stella Cottrell's Study Skills Handbook. The example shows you how to cite the item in the text of your assignment when you're quoting or referring to it, and how to present the full details in your reference list. You can use the You Try box on the right to construct a reference by entering the details of the book you're working on. Type your information into the appropriate section, replacing, for example, the word author with the surname, comma, space, initial, full stop of your book's author in the same format as the example. So include the author's name, the year of publication in round brackets, the title in italics, the edition number if it's anything other than the first, and the publisher. Once done, copy the completed reference into your assignment. Near the top on the left, you'll find a link to more detailed guidance on APA 7th. Do check out all the other helpful links down the left hand side. These take you to general advice on setting out quotations, paraphrasing or rewriting in your own words, summarizing, and more. Normally, as explained, you can find the relevant format by using the menus provided. If you can't find it this way, type the format into the search box here. And you'll find a link to the appropriate section. When you do, just make sure you choose the advice for APA 7th and not one of the other styles covered.